Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to do IoT pen tests, static and dynamic analysis. The requirement for this lab is IoT Go tool. It is based on open source Linux OS used in a network routers. Okay, and then we're gonna use OpenWrt. Okay, OpenWrt. Okay, the third one, Linux. I'm using the 2025. You may also run on 2024, but sometimes using an old Kali may cause run an issues such as updating repository. Okay, as long as it is work, it is fine for me. Okay, so and the lab setup, I'm using pfSense. Okay, I'm using pfSense, so this is like a router. From pfSense, I install Kali and then OpenWrt VM. I'm using OpenWrt VM and Kali. All right. Alternatively, you can set up the lab without pfSense, like host-only adapter and net for the Kali, and OpenWrt. You can put that under host-only. Okay, so whichever is work is fine for me. Okay, as long as you know. In my lab, if you see that I'm using pfSense, so in pfSense I have the network. I'm using the net here, right? I'm using net. So, and then my Kali, I'm using internal network. Where is this? Here, internal network. Okay. And then for OpenWrt VM, I also use internal. Let me see. Let me double check this. Okay. Internal network. I'm using the first scenario, right? Which is this one. However, alternatively, as I mentioned to you, you can use this method too, using net and host only or host only adapter, whichever works for you. All right. Okay, so these are the requirements. Okay, so what we will do a static analysis offline and conduct dynamic analysis online. All right. So what we need to do the first time? Well, first time we need to download and install the IoT Go tools. IoT Go tool is intentional vulnerable OpenWrt firmware based on Linux OS, open source Linux OS used in network router. So let me see you my Kali here. My Kali is, you see that I'm gonna go to CD download, right? From CD download, you're going to git clone https github.com/robertho-rgv/iot. This is case sensitive, so pay attention in that. Once you download the tools from my repository at GitHub, you will see this one, CD, LS, right? So you will see the IoT there, IoT directory. Then if I go to CD IoT and LS, right, you will see that we have the zip file, the zip. By the way, I already unzipped it. I will show you how to unzip this, okay? So let me show you how to unzip this, because when you download it from the GitHub repository, it will be under zip, GZ, okay? So this is how you unzip it, right? You are going to use a tool called gzip. So gzip space -d, which is decompress IoT Goat -x86.image.gc. This is to unzip or decompress. Okay. Once you do that, then we will see the image here, right? IoT Goat -x86.image. You will see this one. Okay. Then you can clear this out. Okay. So you can clear. And then the next one, you need to extract this. We're going to use a binwalk. Okay, so let me show it to you. This is the command binwalk space not space, -e, okay, -e, -e, and then IoT Goat -86.img, which is the image. -e is to extract. Okay, so that's how you extract that. Once you extract, this may take about 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending on your processor speed, so be patient. Once you extract it, you will see this one, _IoT Goat.image extracted. All right. Okay, so once you extract it, let's go to CD, and then I'm going to copy this directory, right? I'm going to copy this, right click, copy this, and then I'm going to paste this. We're gonna go to this directory, and then I'm going to do ls. You can see that we have a directory called squash root. So we are going to this directory, squash root, right? CD squash root, okay, and then ls, okay. Then you will see another directory. It's called root. So we can go to CD root, okay, and then we go to ls, right? Okay, hold on, this is CD root. Okay, the next one, let's go one step behind here. This is ls, CD root. Let's go to one step. Let's go to the previous directory. So we are going to here, and then ls. Now we're gonna go to etc. directory. So we're gonna go to CD etc. All right, then ls. Okay, here we have a passwd and a shadow file, right? So what is shadow file? Shadow file is a file that stores encrypted password and password related detail, right? So this will enhance security by limiting access to sensitive data, right? They separate the username and the password. The passwd is a file that contains general user information like username, user ID, and home directory. So now, if you see cat passwd, okay, you can see that we have a root directory, root users, and IoT Goat users, right? We have username and user ID, right? User ID, and the home directory. Okay, so the next one, we're going to copy this one, right? We're going to copy this to the IoT directory. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go copy. Oh, okay. Let me show you cat shadow, right? When I do this shadow, then you will see the encrypted passwords here for IoT and for the root. Okay. So let's copy this one. Copy shadow to the IoT directory. Okay. Then we're gonna do another one. Then we're gonna do the passwd working directory. We're gonna move that to the IoT directory. We're gonna move this file to this directory and this file to this directory. Okay, so the next thing, we're gonna go to CD. Let's go to the relative one, download the IoT, and then LS. Now you will see you have a passwd and shadow. Okay, so let's unshadow this, right? I already run this command, unshadow passwd and shadow, and make that as a Linux hashes. So these are the Linux hashes. So if I do this, cat linux.hashes, as you can see that now we combine this, right? You have the root and then the encryption. You have the users and the encryption as well. Okay, they are all encrypted. So we combine this passwd and shadow file, passw and shadow files into a hashes file, linux.hashes file. Okay, so now we have the root and IoT GOAT user account. All right, so what's the next one? The next one, let's crack this using offline analysis. So we're gonna use this, is called John Linux hashes, and then I'm gonna do word list, right? Word list equal to password text dash format MD5 encrypted. So I'm gonna press here and then enter. Boom. Okay, so we have loaded 2 password hashes with 2 different salt. All right, and then we're gonna use John to let me see. Let me just type it, John Linux hashes dash show, right? Show. Now we just crack this one, right? Root IoT got the hard code password, so we able to hack this one right now, right? So let me see what's the next one. So we have this password, IoT GOAT hard-coded password. Okay, so let me stop here and then I will do the dynamic analysis in the next video, okay? Because I usually keep the recording short. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.